Life cycle of a butterfly. Butterflies are large insects with beautiful patterns and colors on their wings. Biologists have estimated that butterflies have evolved from dragonflies and ladybugs, and they have lived on this planet for more than 56 million years. There are up to 7,000 species of butterflies in the world, of which around 900 species of them can be found in Thailand. Butterflies have one of the most fascinating growths and life cycles among the creatures. They undergo holometabolous growth with complete metamorphosis. Butterflies go through 4 stages of complete metamorphosis, which are egg, larva or caterpillar, pupa or chrysalis, and adult. In each different stage of the life cycle, butterflies will have different shapes and appearances. They also require different types of food, different environments of habitat, and they may have different kinds of enemies too. Therefore, the risk of being destroyed in each stage of the life cycle is less. The life cycle of a butterfly is approximately 1 month long. This depends on the butterfly species as well. The life cycle can be divided into 4 main stages. The first stage, egg. After a female butterfly has been mated for some time, she will fly off to find an appropriate plant to become her larva's food and to lay her eggs. Most female butterflies will lay their eggs under the leaves. However, there are still some species that prefer laying their eggs on the leaves. The second stage, caterpillar or larva. 2 to 3 days after the female butterfly had laid her eggs, small caterpillars begin to appear inside the eggs. Around 5 to 10 days after the mother butterfly had laid her eggs, the baby caterpillars inside those eggs are fully grown. The baby caterpillars now start to eat their own eggshells as their first meal. After the caterpillars have completely eaten the eggshells, they would continue to eat the leaves of the plant. The caterpillars grow by molting about 4 to 5 times. For butterfly caterpillars, when the inner wall of the last mold exposes to the outside air, it will harden up and will become their hard shell cocoons that cover their bodies as chrysalises. As for moth caterpillars, when they mold until they're fully grown, they will expel out some sticky webs to cover their bodies and to form the cocoons. It will take about 12 to 13 hours to build a cocoon for a caterpillar to enter the next stage of pupa. The third stage, chrysalis or pupa. At this pupa stage, the butterfly pupa won't eat any food for as long as about 7 to 10 days. The pupa must stay still all the time. Each of the different types of butterfly pupas have different shapes. In fact, the laying or clinging of the pupa can be divided into 3 characteristics. 1. Hanging its head down on a tree branch. 2. Clinging onto a tree branch by wrapping its web around its body. And 3. Lying flat on the ground or in a leaf. The fourth stage, adult. When the caterpillar inside the pupa begins to change shape and to develop to its most mature form, it will have all the complete organs of an adult butterfly in all respects. The butterfly, then, will push the pupa shell and crack it open. It will stick the head out first. The wings, which are tightly packed together, will gradually unfold. The butterfly at this point will hang onto the pupa shell, leaving its wings at the bottom, in order to rely on the Earth's gravity to help spread them. Butterflies tend to be at this adult stage for about 2 to 3 days, or 10 to 20 days, or maybe even longer, depending on the type of butterfly and the living environment, such as food abundance, temperature, and humidity.